Exposing the potential in XRP's latest moves, here's what you need to know. Ripple's XRP is making waves again. Analysts predict a potential 30% surge this October, but don't get too comfortable. Ongoing legal issues with the SEC could throw a wrench in the works. On the bright side, Ripple is expanding globally, especially in the UAE. This move could seriously boost confidence in XRP, but remember, the legal battle with the SEC still looms large. Any negative news could see prices dip temporarily. Ripple's recent approval for financial services in Dubai is a game changer. It strengthens trust in their blockchain and could help stabilize XRP's price. Plus, Bitwise's filing for an XRP-based ETP might attract more institutional investors. Yet the SEC's appeal against Ripple's earlier court win is still a wild card. But many experts are betting on Ripple to come out on top. Are you ready for what's next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more updates and keep a close eye on XRP.